Hello viewers, you are once again welcome to Sir Clifford J. Kakari's class. Today's video is going to be on the tutorials on the intensifiers. I hope by the end of this lesson you will have some ideas on what intensifiers are. So without wasting my time, let's continue. And please like and subscribe the video after watching. Thank you. So by the end of this lesson, you are going to be able to define intensifiers, to give examples of intensifiers, to identify some intensifiers in sentences, and to figure out the grammatical functions of intensifiers and identify the importance of intensifiers. So let's look at what an intensifier are. Intensifiers are adverbs or adverbial phrases that strengthen the meaning of other expressions and show emphasis. So intensifiers could be an adverb or an adverbial phrase which is used to strengthen the meaning of other expressions. Examples of intensifiers are very, really, completely, absolutely, extremely, pretty, quite, fairly, highly, totally, so, too, etc. Please, as you can notice, the spelling of highly wasn't correct, so you bear with me, and I'm sorry for that. Let's continue. Let's look at some sentences containing intensifiers. 1. We have a very strict lecturer. 2. She is really offended her sister. 3. Don't work too hard. 4. I felt extremely sad for her. 5. She was so upset. So from the above examples, we can say that the intensifiers used here are very, too, really, extremely, and so respectively. So looking at the question 1 or the sentence 1, we have a very strict lecturer, and the intensifier here is very, as it has been highlighted. She's really offended her sister. The intensifier here is really. Don't work too hard. The intensifier here is too. I felt extremely sad for her. The intensifier used here is extremely. She was so upset. The intensifier used here was so. Continuing, we have the importance of intensifiers in grammar. That is, intensifiers often provide useful information about other words. By explaining with example, when a person uses the adjective cool to describe a car, as in that car is cool, that same person might strengthen or enforce the meaning of cool by using an intensifier, as in that car is so cool. Therefore, so is the intensifier that has been used here. Let's continue. We can also use on earth and ever as intensifiers with WH words. Example, what on earth is he doing? This is used to suggest disapproval. When you want to disapprove something, you can say, what on earth is he doing? The second one is, why did I ever invite them to stay with us? So here you can see that person is talking from, like, he has made a mistake. So it is also used to suggest that there were problems. Without wasting my time, I hope you are now equipped with what an intensifier is. So let's try this exercise. A. Define an intensifier. B. Give 4 examples of intensifiers. C. Identify the intensifiers in the following sentences. I am highly delighted. She is completely lost. That car is so cool. You can pause the video and solve it as I give answers to the C part. Answer for the CI is highly. Completely. I. So with this, we draw the curtains on intensifiers for today. I hope you've really enjoyed the class. See you soon. Thank you.